Welcome to our session on fairness in AI, a crucial aspect of responsible machine learning. Fairness in AI ensures that AI systems treat all individuals and groups equitably, without bias or discrimination. As AI systems are increasingly used in decision-making processes, ensuring fairness is essential to promote justice and equality. Fairness involves designing and deploying AI systems that do not favor one group over another and provide equal opportunities to all. Fairness considerations apply across various domains, including employment, lending, healthcare, and law enforcement.
LinkedIn's AI recruiting tool was found to be biased against women, as it favored resumes using male-dominated language and penalized those with female-oriented terms. To address this, Amazon had to scrap the biased tool and develop new methods to ensure gender-neutral hiring practices.
Credit scoring algorithms, like those used by some banks, have shown biases against minority applicants, leading to higher denial rates or less favorable terms. Regulatory bodies and banks are working to revise these models to ensure they assess applicants purely based on financial criteria rather than demographic factors.
An AI system used to predict health risks was found to underestimate the needs of Black patients compared to white patients. Healthcare providers are now implementing more diverse training data and bias detection mechanisms to ensure fair treatment for all patients.
Predictive policing tools, such as those used in the U.S., have disproportionately targeted minority communities, leading to higher rates of surveillance and arrests. Some jurisdictions are re-evaluating these systems and introducing policies to eliminate racial biases in policing practices.
Challenges in ensuring fairness. AI models often learn from historical data that may contain biases, perpetuating and amplifying these biases in their predictions. For instance, if historical hiring data favors a particular gender or race, the AI system will likely do the same, unless corrective measures are taken. Complex AI models can act as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how decisions are made and identify potential biases. Without transparency, it's challenging to ensure and prove that an AI system is fair in its decision-making process. Mitigating fairness issues in AI. Using diverse and representative training datasets to minimize inherent biases. For example, including data from various demographic groups in healthcare AI systems to ensure they work equally well for all patients. Implementing tools to detect and correct biases in AI models. For instance, using IBM's AI Fairness 360 or Microsoft's FairLearn toolkit to evaluate and mitigate biases in AI algorithms. Ensuring human review and intervention in AI decision-making processes to catch and correct unfair outcomes. Like involving human auditors to regularly review AI-driven decisions in areas like lending and hiring to ensure fairness. Regulatory and ethical considerations. Adhering to regulations that mandate fairness and non-discrimination in AI systems.
The European Union's GDPR provides frameworks to ensure fairness in AI applications.
Following ethical guidelines and best practices to promote fairness.
The IAEE's Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems provides guidelines for ensuring fairness in AI.
In summary, fairness in AI is about ensuring equitable treatment for all individuals and groups, without bias or discrimination. By addressing fairness, we can build AI systems that promote justice and equality, benefiting society as a whole. Thank you for joining this session on fairness in AI. Stay tuned for more insights on responsible machine learning.